Okay, let's go over this example. So we've got 2, and then this symbol here, 12 equals p over 8. Now, as we move through our maths journey, you're going to find that because we're using variables, variables are letters such as x, y, and it could be z, it could be p, it can be n, it can be any letter that doesn't resemble a numeral, that sometimes to save us getting a little bit stuck with, say, for example, x times x, which can look like x, x, x. So we use a circle here, this little filled in circle, but it's not a decimal point because 2.12 would be looking at decimals, and 2, this little circle, and then 1, 2, they won't always be that far apart, means 2 times 12. But let's go back to here. So we've got 2 and then multiplied by 12. So let's turn it back into what we're used to. But if we just don't want to confuse these variables with our letters. So 2 times 12 is 24. So that's our first step, equals p over 8. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this divided by 8, because p over 8 just means p divided by 8. Like if you have a half, that just means 1 shared by 2. So that's what it means, divide. If it's divide on this side of the equal sign, remember that equal sign's like a gateway. When we bring it over to the other one, it will be the opposite. So it will be 24 times 8. Now, 4 8s are 32 because 16 plus 16 is 32. And then 2 times 8 are 16, 17, 18, 19. And that's your answer. So your final answer will be 192 equals P. And sometimes you can just flip that around if you want to. P equals 192 if they want it in that order.